Hi, I'm Jamie from All 4x4 Spares. We just finished a build on this 200 Series Landcruiser Sahara. We did a bull bar, we did a winch, we did a GVM up to 4 ton, and a few other custom mods. Let's take a look. Okay, so first off in this build, we did a full dual battery system, including Piranha battery trays. We did the Red Oak DC-DC charger. A few custom mods that we made on this for the customer specifics was a Anderson plug outlet at the front to cater for some power. On the other side we did a solar outlet for the same reason, and also the full Arb Summit Bull Bar. We've got a carbon 12,000 pound winch installed as well, and one of the good little things, we hid the control box so it wasn't sitting on top. On top of that, we chucked in the Stedi Type X Sport 7-inch LED driving lights, produce a whole heap of light for him at night. Okay, so as part of this build, we also did a levels 4-ton GVM, increasing the GVM from 3,300 up to 4,000. Also increases the GCM up to 7,500 kilo. In addition to that, with the suspension, we also did the Airbag Man Airbags. We've got the two outlets sitting right here, so run separate lines, left and right hand side, to balance the car out where required. What we also did is run part of the dual battery. We also ran out some more Anderson plug outlets, so one on the far left, got another one on the far right as well as the red ESC outlet on top. Moving inside the car, part of the battery system, we did a flush mount Anderson plug. Allows the customer to hook up his fridge. We've got the 12-volt monitor with dual USBs and a cigarette outlet. And one of the last little things that we did, on the tailgate, we installed a Stedi LED rock light for when he goes to the beach or goes camping. So producing plenty of light, low power, and nice and clean. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this build. We certainly did. If you have any questions about your own vehicle, doing modifications along these lines, or GVM upgrades, please send us an email or give us a call, and one of our team will go through the process with you. Thanks for watching.